Hi everyone, welcome back to another video of What and How channel. Today we are looking on installation of code blocks in Linux. I am using Linux Mint Edition for the installation purpose. Code blocks is a free open source cross-platform IDE that supports multiple compilers including GCC, Clang, and Visual C++. So without any delay, let's jump into installation steps. First of all, open a new terminal. Before installing code blocks, we need to add the repository. To add the repository, enter the command sudo add apt repository ppa eugenison/ppa. Add repository command is provided in description. Type the password and press enter. Wait for the add repository to finish. Update the packages using the command sudo apt update. Now type the installation command, sudo apt get install code blocks -y and press enter. Wait for the installation to finish. Code blocks is installed successfully. Enter the command code blocks to run the application from terminal. Now to open code blocks from menu, go to menu and search code blocks and click the code blocks IDE menu.